Where's his pacifier? He's good, I think, right? Choo choo!
Woohoo, Baba!
You can better protect your loved ones by removing fire hazards.
He's smiling. They're all.
Stay away from anything that gets hot, such as space heaters. Talk to your children regularly about the dangers of fire, matches, and lighters, and keep them out of reach. Stay in the kitchen while cooking to keep anything that can catch fire away from the stove. Install carbon monoxide alarms in central locations in every level of your home. Make a plan to protect your family. Install and learn how to maintain smoke alarms and make a family escape plan. In the event of a fire, use your escape plan.
This is great.
Call 911. The Red Cross is committed to teaching people the skills they need to prevent and helping people recover after a fire happens. For complete Red Cross checklist and preparedness tips, visit redcross.org. That's on in your head? Actually, it's on your radio. 97.7 and 102.3. But please.
With all his cousins. Oh, he's waving at Mimi and Papa. He loves it. Look at him bouncing.
Actually, your video, aren't you?
Yeah. He was waving at Mimi, but not at me. Will, hey! Are you taking pictures? Okay, good.